Who asked all this question to his brother, say why you not call friends and boyfriend. He said the brother say the children know they waka kere waka like that, and beside that they don't call. All of them say they no see him because he not reach out. Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just then get post for YouTube or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please consider to hit that red button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we post video. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. So today's story we want to talk about two twins. What happened to them, and I still want to let us know that Bomo see they exist, all these ritualists. I know many people will not believe, but if they exist, for those people when go believe, may they believe. And I just want let us know, say this story now Ugbowo if for happen between Uniben and UBTH. If anybody when did that area, they need to be careful. In short, just be careful any area you did. Tell your family to be careful, because these people that they waka anywhere that they waka around, so they can be in one place today, tomorrow they be in another place. So when they grow up, they come. I always they hear when they talk say twins, they very strong, their heads strong, that twins they not fit use twins they do anything like bomo or ritualists that they happen. Even if say they succeed, say they do the twins anyhow, or they experiment any of purpose when they experiment the twins for, say not go ever work, it go backfire against those people. So they not they like to they use twins for anything like that. I don't they hear and they come when they grow up. So there's these two particular twins when we say that they our family. In short, when they born, then I me do the omugo, because anytime anybody born, now me they mostly they do omugo, because my younger ones now me carry all of them, and they see the way they help my mom they carry pikin, because I love children so much. So anyone just born, their wife just the hospital, the run call me. Oh, their wife they'll discharge them, make I come help them. I'll just stay for some time, help them carry the baby and all that. As I be carry baby, even if I be bath picking, I small when I start to do omugo. So this particular twins, now me still do their omugo. Though I small that time, before I can still do the omugo, I can still come on. Before I can't travel out of the country. So when I travel out, I always they ask of them, and they ask my mom, you hear of them, and so I ask of all our family through my mom, because I know if they call everybody, you say that they fine, you tell me say that they study. Even one day when I see us of them, my mom tell me say they don't be big guests now, or say they don't be nurse now, that they work for UBTH, that both of them they work for the same department for UBTH. I say that is good. One day I can't call my mom. My mom just they hurry, saying they go your brother house, so say one of the twins they miss, so they not sit them, if they run go, they just call her the way the brother sound, like her, she they run go there. I can say okay, since when he said they miss, so he said they send us since yesterday, he never come house, and evening though they come at that time. Though they go towards evening, at the time when me take call is about that kind of phone. Maybe they try to call the friends or boyfriend or whatever. My mom say he don't ever ask all this question to his brother, say why you not call friends and boyfriend. He said the brother say the children know they waka kere waka like that, and beside that they don't call. All of them say they no see him because he not reach us. Then my mom's come the hurry, saying the rush go there. I can say okay, if you don't reach there, I'll call you later in the night to know how una waka. So that later in the night of that day, I can't call back. So my mom come the in short, now my uncle now come pick the call. I call the house and say, wetin happen? How all these things start? He said that they work for the same department for UBTH. The one go from morning till evening. Then the other one will start from evening till the next day morning. They sleep. So that they exchange their duties. So the way they go in the morning and the way they come when you don't do night, they always they jam each other for one particular road when they near their house, because now Ugbowo area there they still they stay. Then everybody go waka in your way. So the one way if you say if they go work for that money, you can't expect to see his sister for along the road when they see each other before, he not see his sister. Because they imagine say, ah, my sister no pass this morning, then she can't go work. When she reach work, they come to tell her for work, say, ah, what's it happen? Your sister not come work yesterday evening. Why your sister not come work? He say, no, my sister can't work. I even myself, I even they expect say I go see her for road as I they can't work. So me I not see her for road. They say she not come on. Now she come say, okay, she can't call house. Call their dad, say, ah, she don't come house. They say they not see her. He come say she not come work. Ah, I think they come say where she can't go. They come begin they call people. She herself, the other twin sister, not even fit do anything for work at that day. Come say one go and say because she not fit do anything. Her twin sister they miss. They can't give her permission to go. May they go look for her. So she can't go house. They can't try to contact all her friends, everybody when they know her with. Nobody say they see her. They not hear from her. They call her line, call. The line not they go. The line where they go, it ring. Nobody pick. Later the phone not going to ring again. Like say the battery door weak. So they can't really they worried. Everybody they worried. Even me myself, I can't they worried. I can't say what did they happen. So the mom they cry. My uncle they cry, you know. So I can't try to console them. I can't say mom I not cry because I can't remember. Then when I they grow, they can't say they know they feel use twins to do anything. I said, Mom, I not cry. I said she go come back home. Say because twins, they know they use twins to do anything. Even if say na bomo people na Canada, because my uncle can't they cry. I said because they always they hear about bomo for that area, and then for that area, and sometimes that they see some kind of people when we say they don't cut most important parts of their body. They don't cut all of them, they don't control with them for bush. Can't say if they fear, say because that area they dangerous. Because my uncle now somebody will be say now north now he just mostly stay. They work as a pharmacy for north area. During that time of that war, when we say northern parts of Nigeria, I say they don't want the southern parts of Nigeria people for there. When we say they just they do the anyhow, they permit the anyhow. At that time, my uncle can't try to carry all the family because now those states, all of us they when they born the twins. So after they born the twins finish, now they take pack go north side. So now that side they just can't take. So when all these things happen, he can't got to come back again. Say he not fit stay there again because the life they at risk. Now run. Now they run come out. Even my mom they shout, say me they come back. Or the way they say they hear things for that side. Run, now they run, come back. And when they come back, they can't stay that Ugbowo area for there before the children can continue their education for there. So my uncle can't really feel so bad. Say, these children are children when be say he know the way to rescue a family, come out from that northern part, can't succeed, God can't help them. Because his friends and even some of his friends, they not fit pack their family, they lose their family during that fight. Some lose their wife, but he thank God, nobody in lose for that fight. He succeed and carry all the children and the wife come back. And now he want to lose the daughter. So the thing can't really they touch this my uncle. So I can't they try to console and can't say me no worry, say they no fit do anything. If now ritualist people carry her or now bomb of people, any people when carry her at all, they must bring her come back. But I pray make it be say they not quick temper anything with her before they can't notice say she be twins, because me I just can't get that belief say they know they fit do twins anything. Now my uncle can say he pray so everybody begin they pray for the family. They wait may she come. So the next day they wait, she not come. After 3 days, now they can't see say she did come. If you see her, she looks so tattered. Not in their body again, but she did alive. But you know say now somebody will be say they don't put for one place, you know. Because we can't even they think say maybe now people when they kidnap people, maybe they'll come call for ransom but nobody call for ransom. The line not come go again after a ring when we say nobody pick. So finally when she come, he can't enter house. Wetin happen? How you waka? She say that evening when she dey go work, she come dey trek, dey go, because na leg now she take dey go work, because na that area they stay. He said the part when she dey waka pass, as he just dey go, he just see one big jeep just come park for her front. So now she turn. Where she turn, now there she remember reach. Now there just remember reach. You know, remember anything again. Not until when she come open her eye, she come say she already dey one bed, hospital bed for one room. But he no see nurse, he no see doctor, but he see one woman, the woman tall, black, the woman dey there, the woman fat. He said, come they ask the woman, say, wetin I dey do for here? He said, the woman say, na hospital na she dey. He say, hospital? Wetin be the name of this hospital? Make I quickly call my dad. May I tell my dad say I dey hospital. Wetin even happen when me say dey hospital? He say as she dey waka dey go along that road, they see her say she faint for ground. Then they carry her come this hospital to take help her. Say drip dey there. Whether they don't fix the drip for a body, you know that standard of drip, e dey there. So whether they don't fix the drip for a body, they never fix the drip for a body, he no know. But he no say something like that dey there. So he can say, so he faint now na carry him come this hospital. He can say, oh, thank you. I beg my phone, make I call my daddy. Now the woman tell am say no, say he no fit call his daddy na me fair rest, say he never dey. Look around, he no see doctor, he no see nurse. Na only this woman now he see for there. Now one room, the building not be like hospital building. They close the door. He wan get up, they say make he not get up, make he just dey that room, make he not even come down from that bed, make he just dey there. He say come dey there. Wetin he dey do for there? He no know. And people they waka up and then they hear noise of sound of people that they talk for nose. He no know wetin come dey happen. They say come dey fear. As if they fear, because say abeg mona let me talk to my parents. My parents go don dey worried for me now. They say lala no way, make she just hold on. Say come hold on, he can dey look them phone, they not give am nothing. He can just dey the hospital there. He say later the woman come waka come meet am. Then the woman come dey ask am say whether she be twins. Then she say yes, say she be twins. They be twins girls. Say even na work he dey go, his sister na the same place there for the work. He say the woman come say okay. Then the woman come waka comot. So the woman waka comot, he come see dey worry. Say wetin dey happen? Wetin dey happen? He say later the woman come waka come after because she not be open her eyes. The time she take open her, it don dey go 2 days. So they don't keep her for there. Wetin they want use am take do, they don dey contemplate on how they want do am. So the time when she take open her na after 2 days. So now the 3rd day, now they come dey ask her question. When she come dey answer, they say she be twins. He say the woman will come out. Then later the woman come back. And the woman come say make he come. He say because the shirt wey he even wear, he not wear a cloth when he wear again. Now all those white clothes when hospital people they give people when they tie for back. Now they give am wear. He said they come say, oh yeah, make it come down. And they come pull the white cloth come off her body, give am cloth, make he wear. He come wear a cloth. And they say make he follow. They say they want carry am go house. Then he come tell them, so thank you. Then she come dey go. He come say make they give her phone. They say make you no worry, say they will give her the phone if you don't enter motor. So when they want to put her for inside motor, they can't tie her eyes. They can't say make she lie down for back. So now so they can't say put her for inside motor. They can't drive. Come on. He said the area, he never know the area. He no. He said they drive for a very long time before they can't open her eyes. When they open her eyes, she'd already there along Ugbowo Road. So she don't know where they from carry her come out. He said that they can't tell and say your house they close to this place. He can't say yes. And they say yeah, come down. They can't say no. Since una see me when I faint, una help me. I beg, wanna follow me go house. Me I go tell my papa how una take help me. My papa go thank you well well. He say no, say they don't want follow go house and they don't want any thank you from the father. Say make she come down from there, make she just dey go house. As she just dey come down, now they carry her phone give her. And so he say before he turn back, he not see the motor again. Even the number of the motor self, he not even feel recognize her. And so they just go piam. And so she can't take waka reach house. She can't lose so tired. When she can't reach house, she not come feel open mouth talk again. The mouth close. It take time before she can't feel open mouth. They can't get to bath her, pour her water, give her cold drink to relax herself before she can't feel open mouth. They talk wetin happen to her. And I thank God say I not lost this our twins. So the only twins we get for family. I happy say we not lost her. And I just bring this story come to tell everybody to be careful. Call your family back home to be careful. And I still get one question to ask. That this thing when me they hear say they say twins, they know they feel do the bad thing, they know they feel use them for bomo. Now really truth. Now because say now that twins when she be, now make these people leave her, now make these people not do anything with her. Now because of the twins, what it really happened? So I bring this matter come more and see she could mouth put because he said they can't ask and say whether she be twins. What do you think? And I still want to thank God for everything when it happened. So everybody needs to be careful. I will stop this video for here. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Please don't forget to put that your like button on this video. As you put like, up ever for you, backwards never for you. And again, please share this video. We are not here to just talk. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life. If you are sharing our video, you are touching life. If you are sharing our video, you are saving life. And we also pray that people that share our video, people that like, people that put the comment there, people that call on the live screen, people that are supporting our video, we always pray for you people that Almighty God will send someone to support you in anything that you do in your life. Thank you so much for watching and God bless you. See you on our next video. Ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to true dreams with Lady T. And God will be your strength. Bring it to true dreams with Lady T. And God will see you through.